Please identify yourself and
My
speak to the
name is
council.
Dasin Anwar. I live on 93 Rockledge Drive. Last week on Tuesday, March 27th, at 3:50, I rode my bike to the community center. When I arrived, I left my bike on the bike rack, as I've done many times before. The bike was unlocked because I'd always felt the town was a very safe area. Unfortunately, when I returned to the bike 10 minutes later, it had been stolen in broad daylight from one of the most family-oriented places in our town. Right after this event, I went inside of the community center and was helped by a very friendly man who called the South Windsor Police Department for me. Our police was very prompt and was there within 5 minutes. The officer asked for information about the incident and told me she would call me back later. I'm here for 3 reasons. Firstly, to request the town to purchase security cameras in populated areas so if an incident like this reoccurred, it would be easier to resolve. I feel this would not be a huge financial burden on the town. Secondly, I respect our police department immensely and understand that a stolen bike is not on their priority list as they must be very busy. But as a citizen of this town, I would really appreciate a call back. Finally, the bike had great sentimental value to me as my grandparents had bought it to me as a gift. I would like to use this opportunity to ask anybody who has seen the bike to return it. It was a silver Diamondback 7-gear bike. Thank you.
Thank you. Sorry to hear about your loss. Anyone else from the public care to come forward?